Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making some achar chicken. This is the only time my kids will eat roti when there's achar chicken. So let's get started. Here I have about half a cup of oil and I'm going to add one sliced onion to the oil, and we're going to go ahead and saute the onions till they turn light golden. At this point, we're going to go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, and we're going to go ahead and continue to saute that till the garlic and ginger change color to light golden. At this point, go ahead and add a little bit of water to start the cooking process. And because I use frozen tomatoes, I need a little bit of water in there. This is the ghosht masala that I use. You can use it in beef or chicken. And I use about 3 tablespoons for 1.5 pounds of chicken. Go ahead and add that, and we're going to saute that till oil starts to separate. And at this point, go ahead and add 1 cup of yogurt. Make sure your yogurt is not lumpy, so just give it a good mix with a whisk or something, and add that to the mixture. And now we're going to cook that on high till the yogurt cooks well and the liquid dries up a little bit. And at this point you can see that the oil has separated, and we're going to go ahead and add the chicken. I'm using chicken thigh meat, and I'm using about 1.5 pounds of chicken. And I'm going to go ahead and squeeze in 1 lime or lemon, whichever you have handy. Go ahead and squeeze that in there, and you're going to continue and cook that on high till all the liquid from the chicken also dries up, because when you're cooking chicken it does release a lot of liquid. And at this point the masala is ready. The oil is separated from the masala, as you can see. At this point I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of water, because we don't like it really dry. You can leave it like this if you like, if you want it really dry, but I'm going to go ahead and add half a glass of water. You can definitely add more if you like, if you want more gravy. And I'm going to add about 6 to 8 green chilies in there. These are not spicy at all, so I just make a little slit on top and I add those. And now we're going to lower the heat to medium and let it cook. After about 10 minutes, go ahead and transfer it to a serving bowl or a dish, and your achar chicken is ready. If you like the recipe, please give me a follow and a like, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and see you again with another recipe.